Managing cortisol through nutrition is about more than just eating healthy. It's a strategic choice to stabilize blood sugar and dampen internal inflammation. A balanced breakfast is your first line of defense, preventing the morning cortisol spike from escalating into all-day anxiety. Incorporating leafy greens and tubers provides essential magnesium and potassium for nervous system relaxation pills, while omega-3s and anti-inflammatory proteins support brain health. This thoughtful combination ensures steady and hormonal harmony without overstimulating your digestive system.
In this video, you will master a nutrient-dense, hormone-balancing breakfast designed to silence the morning cortisol spike. By utilizing sweet potatoes as an adrenal-supportive, slow-release energy source, we eliminate the mid-morning crash before it begins. The synergy of fiber-rich spinach and healthy avocado fats aids in toxin removal while ensuring lasting satiety. This low-glycemic powerhouse keeps you focused and calm, proving that a gourmet-quality detoxifying meal can be quick and efficient enough to fit seamlessly into your busiest routine. It is more than just breakfast. It is a strategic reset for your endocrine system. To fuel your cortisol detox, gather 2 pasture-raised eggs for high-quality protein and half a cup of sweet potato, peeled and diced into small, half-inch cubes for steady energy. You'll need a packed cup of fresh baby spinach to provide essential magnesium, paired with half a medium avocado, either sliced or mashed, for healthy hormone-supporting fats. Keep a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil ready for sautéing, along with a pinch of sea salt and black pepper to taste. For an extra boost of vitamin C to aid absorption, a squeeze of fresh lime makes the perfect finishing touch. To set the stage for a calm hormone-balancing morning, begin by peeling and dicing your sweet potato into small uniform half-inch cubes. This ensures every piece softens at the exact same rate in the pan. Next, give your baby spinach a quick rinse and pat it thoroughly dry to avoid any excess steam. In a small bowl, crack the eggs and whisk them gently with a pinch of sea salt until the yolks and whites are perfectly integrated. Finally, slice your avocado into creamy wedges and set them aside, ready to crown your detox-friendly creation. With your ingredients prepped, focus on organizing your workspace to ensure a smooth, meditative cooking process. Set out a reliable non-stick skillet for the omelet and prepare a separate small pan for the sweet potatoes. Alternatively, keep your primary pan ready if you prefer cooking in sequence. Have a tight-fitting lid nearby, as this is the secret to perfectly steaming the potatoes and wilting the spinach with minimal oil. Finally, keep your spatula and a serving plate within arm's reach, allowing you to transition seamlessly from the stovetop to the table without breaking your morning flow. Begin by setting your stove to medium heat, allowing the pan to reach a steady, gentle warmth. Drizzle in half a tablespoon of olive oil, then carefully add the diced sweet potato cubes, spreading them into a single layer to ensure every edge gets some time against the heat. Sauté the potatoes for about 8 to 10 minutes, tossing them occasionally. You're looking for that perfect balance, a golden brown, slightly crisp exterior and a center that is buttery and fork tender. Once they reach this caramelized state, remove the potatoes from the pan and set them aside. With your sweet potatoes golden and set aside, return that same pan to the stovetop over medium-low heat. Drizzle in the remaining half tablespoon of olive oil, letting it shimmer. Toss in the fresh baby spinach. It will look like a lot, but watch as it transforms and wilts in just 30 to 60 seconds. Use your spatula to spread the vibrant, softened leaves evenly across the bottom of the pan. This creates a nutrient-dense green bed, perfectly prepared to cradle the eggs and infuse every bite with magnesium-rich support for your nervous system. Gently pour your whisked eggs directly over the bed of wilted spinach, allowing them to fill the gaps and create a vibrant green and gold base. Keep the heat low and steady, cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes until the edges are perfectly set while the center remains slightly creamy and delicate. Carefully spoon your golden sweet potato cubes onto one half of the omelet, then fold the other side over to tuck them in. Finish by covering the pan with a lid for a final 30 seconds, ensuring every bite is warmed through and tender. Gently slide the omelet onto a warmed plate, ensuring the golden exterior remains intact. To elevate the dish, top it with a sliced avocado. Its cooling, buttery texture provides a perfect, creamy contrast to the heat of the eggs. For a final touch of brightness, add a crack of black pepper and a quick squeeze of fresh lime to enhance the flavors. This single hearty portion is more than just a meal. It is a protein-packed plate specifically designed to fuel your brain and bring a sense of grounded calm to your body for the day ahead. This Cortisol Detox Breakfast is a powerhouse for hormonal harmony, starting with a magnesium-rich spinach that actively helps lower cortisol levels and soothe your nervous system. By incorporating sweet potatoes, you provide your body with complex carbohydrates that ensure steady energy without the dreaded mid-morning crash. The addition of avocado delivers essential healthy fats that support brain health and stabilize hormone production. Finally, the high protein and fiber content work in tandem to sustain fullness, keeping your blood sugar stable and effectively preventing the urge for stress-induced snacking later in the day.